This is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. And today we've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp. You can keep on code the Ramenator for a discount. This is from Kuze Fuku Shoten. It's a collaboration between them and Sapporo Ichiban. It's a fancy Shio ramen. So that's what I'm doing today. So I hope you're ready. 3 minutes of boiling water with this, and you end up with nice Shio, apparently. We'll see what happens there. Hopefully it'll be good. That's generally hoping, usually. I'd like everything to be like absolutely spot on, but that doesn't always happen. All right. Add some boiling water up to the line. Keep going. And go right to there. Alright. And we need 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So there we are. Got a timer. We got a dog in the background named Pepper. Pepper! That's a dog right there. You can see in the thing. She's sunbathing. That's what she's into. It's 1:20 p.m. here on March 6th, 2023. It's 8 days until my birthday. I'm happy about that. Also not. I'm not really. Birthdays are good, you know, but it's just like, It better be good. Oh, it better be good. Better be the best birthday I've ever had. I don't know. Today's been going good. Let's see. What are all the good things that have happened today? First, as soon as I woke up, I got out here, did some dishes and junk, and then I proceeded to soft boil some eggs, and I went 5 for 5. None broke, none popped in the boil, all perfect. So that's cool. What else? There were like a couple things. My wife talked to a recruiter. I thought she already had the job, but she pretty much did, but the formality had to be done, and now she's got a start date for the new place she'll be working at. So that's rad. But there's more. I don't know. I baked some chicken. Oh yeah. Old Pepper over there. She's got a pinch collar now. And oh my god, taking her out walking, way better. Although I haven't taken her out like on a good length walk yet, but just taking her out to relieve her dog self, no problem. She's still super distracted and everything, of course, but it's not like usually when I would take her out the front door, she'd be pulling me down the stairs. It's like if I didn't brace myself, she would just totally pull me down the stairs. She's still a puppy too. It's crazy. And if there's people walking around outside, she could have the most extreme need to relieve herself. She wouldn't care if there's like somebody walking by. She's just going to sit there and rubberneck the whole time. It's like priorities, Pepper. Priorities. But yeah, so that's a plus. I'm really happy about that. And so if all goes well, I might not be ditching her here when I go out and taking her out on the trail. We'll see. That's what I'd like to be doing. Yeah. So here's what we got. It's a shoyu ramen, as I mentioned in the prior word spewage. It's really nice out today. I went out in a t-shirt. If I went out right now, I'd be wearing a t-shirt and shorts. It's that nice. Noodle. That's not bad. Broth. Ooh, that's very savory. That is really good. Yeah, I want to try that noodle again. This noodle, I gotta say, this is really quite good. And generally, I'm not into the noodles that come in cups, but this one has a very nice texture, very nice chew to it. I like that a lot. Wow. Yeah, that's really quite good. Bravo to you, Sapporo Ichiban, aka Sanyo Foods, aka Sanyo Shokuhin. Not a bad Shio. Actually, if you didn't know, and I will tell you now, and then you will know, little bits of veg and such. The Ramen Raider logo, the background of it is the pack version of there's cabbage in here. That's what's doing it. I swear, when you add cabbage to broth, it gives this nice, I don't know what to the broth, but I certainly like it. But yeah, the background for the Ramen Raider logo is Sapporo Ichiban Shoyu, or Shio rather. And as I mentioned earlier, I made eggs this morning, and one of those will adorn this bowl. I don't have my blade of truth and fury. I'll use this one. This is a super softy. I got fresh eggs yesterday. That was a nicety. God damn, I gotta cheat. That's not how it's supposed to go. So I need to grab the spoon of happiness and jejun. And that shall... I'll use this spoon. I don't care. Now you're talking. A little bit of bean sprout. Yeah, looking a little sloppy on this one, but I gotta say, this one is really quite good. The next one will be interesting too. The next one is from Indonesia. Spring onion. A little sesame seed. What else can I gussy this up with? I think I'm going to go with some shichimi. There you are, children. Now you can be happy. It's the song, it's the ramen that makes the children all sing it. So the next one you're gonna see is from Indonesia, and it's by the same brand that did that bon chabe ramen, bon chabe mi goreng I did the other day. They also have a bon chabe ramen, which is spicier, which I'll be reviewing soon. This is another one that came from Ferengi. Thank you. This is Jiwa Pagis with their soto, rasa soto sagir mi instant. And yeah. And what's neat is the noodle is infused with green beans and carrot. So I think this is supposed to be like a more healthy one. So that'll be up on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Oz Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment in noodles each and every day. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out. Have a good one and bye-bye.